today we are going to unbox Boya M1 Pro Microphone. You can use this mic on your smartphones, camcorders, and many other devices. There are two types of Boya M1 and M1 Pro. The main difference of the Boya M1 and M1 Pro is that Boya M1 Pro comes with headphone jack. You can directly listen your voice after recording. You don't need to disconnect your microphone from the cell phone or camera, then listen. You can directly listen your voice after recording. So, and another thing in this M1 Pro that you can cancel your noise till 10 minus dB. So if you are making videos in noisy place, it is very good for you. So let's unbox this and see what accessories in it. Then we will test our mic. Currently I am using K35. Then we will compare this mic into Boya M1 Pro. So let's unbox this. So let's unbox this and see what accessories are available in this box. So let's open this first. I have ordered this from Daraz. You can order from any store, but it should be Boya official store because there are so many fake mics also available in market with the name of the Boya. So I will also show you that how to verify that this mic is original or not. They have a barcode we have to put in on their website, and we can see that it is original or not. So this you can see Boya M1 Pro universal leveler mic. So we can verify that the Boya microphone is original or not. We have to remove this sticker. You can see that there is some sticker here. So we have to remove this. Then we will get the security code. Using the security code, we can confirm that the microphone is original or not. So let's remove this. We have to remove it from here. I think yes. Here you can see that we have a security code which is provided by Boya company. It is removed. So now you can see that here is security code. We have to insert this into their website. Then we will verify that this is original or not. So I will show you this also. First, let's open this and see what accessories. So first, let's open this and see what accessories are available here. So this comes with 18-month warranty provided by Boya. So let's first open that what accessories are available here. You can see that. Okay, so this is original Boya pouch. All accessories are available here, and the other things are some manuals that how to use and the warranty card. You can see the warranty card and some manuals that how to use Boya M1 Pro. They provide also sticker. This also looks great. So now let's open these things. So here you can see the wire. They provide 6-meter wire, so you can use from anywhere for the far distance. If you are very far from the distance, this wire is very good. And what is in it? So this is amplifier pin, the clip, collar clip, looks very good. You can see the microphone, one clip, and this is Boya M1 Pro. So using this, I was already told you that you can cancel noise till minus 10 dB. So if you are in noisy place, you just have to open this. Using this, you can use like that. And there is one another option. If you are using smartphone, you have to select this, and if you are using cameras, you have to select this. This looks very good. You can see that very simple and sober. Here's microphone also. Here's wire. This is external microphone. So, and this is the pouch. This looks very good. And this is silica gel. We can't eat. Sorry. So let's use this and see the quality of microphone, that how it works, and we will compare with our current microphone, and we will also use the minus 10 dB, that how it works. So let's use this. So first you have to open boya-mic.com website. After that we have to come on security code. Then we have to enter our security code here, which we have scratched from our box. So let me put our security code here, and let's see that our product is original or not. So you can also check your project here. 473361578. So this is our security code. Now let's see. So I have already checked for the first time. So that's why it is showing that I have already checked. This is really great security, that someone insert here code for the first time, then it will not show again. So when the first time I went, it was said that go ahead, congratulations, you have a genuine product. So same way you can also check. So the voice which you are listening is coming from my Boya M1 Pro microphone. So you can compare the old quality of K35 microphone and Boya M1 Pro microphone. So now let's check the noise quality. So let me create some noise. Let me open some fan. So we will listen first noise from our K35. Then we will listen noise from minus 10 dB Boya M1 Pro. So let's check. So currently you can see that I have connected K35 volts again, and the sound, are you listening the sound? If you use headphone you can listen the sound, because I have opened multiple fans outside the room and inside the room. Now let's connect my Boya M1 Pro mic, then we will check. Now once again I have connected M1 Pro Boya. So are you listening any sound from the outside of the room? If you use my headphone you can listen or not. So currently I have not enabled minus 10 dB, so let me enable first. So now I have enabled to minus 10. Now let's listen. Now let's compare both mics. If you have any question you can ask me in comments. Thank you for watching.